Okay, quick video of the Meyer truck spreader. I just got out to the field, gonna unload it. It's really windy out, I hope you can hear what I'm saying. 2 beaters on the end, they need to be cleaned. Pretty big spreader. It's a nice spreader, it's an awesome spreader. I just don't like it because it's on a truck. It's an old International. Not a big fan of it, but it's kind of fun to drive. It's weird though, the hydraulic pump I think is weak on it, or something's goofed up. So we had to put in these T couplings on the hydraulic lines, and they're just sitting up here, and it's just a tractor connect on it, because sometimes the back doesn't want to open. So hopefully it'll open up. There's a switch in there, I just start hitting it and I can see how far I have it open right there. This black dial will move up, telling me how open the gate is. So hopefully just this switch here, up and, well, it's like this, up and down. So let's start going here. Days, so I'd like to get some of this manure hauled out, and then to engage the beaters, it's just the PTO switch right there, and you just press in the red button and lift up and move it, and that engages the